Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down the comments down below how your day is going. So, if you read from the title, I am going to be unboxing 2 skincare boxes. So, this is the Beauteque monthly box. Now, this subscription has 2 that you can get. You can get the Mask Maven, which is cheaper. I believe it comes with 7 face masks, and you can get the Beauty box, which is $24.99 a month. And I really like it. This is probably one of my favorite skincare boxes. I really like it. Now, if you don't know, I was sick in the month of June. Towards the end, I was also in the hospital. So, I didn't get a chance to do the June subscription, but I do have May. Sometimes I like to put 2 boxes together, 2 months, so that way you guys can kind of compare and see, is it worth something that you guys would get? Because it is $24, and skincare is really important. So, I believe this is the May box. So let's see what is in here. If you see me looking over here, because I have a table here, when I used to put it in front of me, it shakes, and then the whole camera would shake. So, all right. So this is what it looks like when you open her up. I haven't even opened this up since May. And it says Magic, Fairy Tales, and Fantasy. So that must be the theme for the month of May. All right, so let's see. When you open it up, this tells you what everything is in here. And I'll go fairly quick since I know we have 2 boxes. All right, so I'm going to pull out the first thing that I see is this Prime Luxury Gold right there. And what is that? What you be? Where you be? Okay, this is a deluxe cream. Where's the price? Okay, it says it's $25. It says, why is it magical? We are glowing because of the gold extract found within these luxury creams. Gold has a number of benefits, improving blood flow, preventing premature aging, and increasing skin's elasticities. Oh my God, elasticities. Oh my God, why can't I say that word? I'll leave it right here. You guys know what I mean. I'm having a horrible day today. I just did my BoxyCharm, and I couldn't talk with that either. Oh, this is really pretty. That is really pretty. That is so pretty. Okay, let's see what it looks like. So when you open it up, all right, so it has a safety seal on it. So I think I'm going to leave it on, but it's like a gel kind of like. So that's pretty cool. All right, all right. The next thing we have is this, and this is just like a, what do you call that? Like an eye mask. And you guys know how to use an eye mask. So I'm not going to take it out of the packaging. It is a unicorn. So I'm not sure if you guys can see that too well. All right. Then we have this Magic Rose Modeling Gel Mask. So it's a peel-off modeling mask. So that looks actually really interesting. So this is worth $9. And it says how to use. Wash and apply toner to skin. Mix the first gel with the second powder for about 40 seconds. Gently apply the mixed modeling pack using the spatula provided. Remove modeling pack after 20 to 30 minutes. All right, so I love peel-off masks. Let me know down below. Do you guys like peel-off masks? It's satisfying to peel it off. And it's probably maybe like a rubbery consistency, so I'm definitely excited for that. And then we have Peeling Care Deep and Moist. Pour on the body. So this looks like it is clean without peeling gel, moisturizing gel. I don't know. Let me look and see what the heck this is. So this is a deep and moist lavender body peeling mist. What in the world is that? Gently exfoliate to reveal softer skin with this body peeling mist. So you just, spray it on you. This floral mist contains lavender, rosemary, and aloe vera extracts, which minimize irritation and soothe your skin while maximizing dead skin cells. How to use. Spray on the skin about 2 inches away from the targeted area. Gently massage the area for 1 to 2 minutes. Rinse with warm water afterwards. So I would definitely do this in the shower. So that's definitely exciting. And usually I always get full-size items in here. Now you always get some sort of mask because this is a K-Beauty subscription and they always have masks. So this is a Bye Pimple Patch right there. And you only get one, and it is for $4.50. And last but not least is this highlighter right there, and this is $6. Now I'm not going to open this because I'll probably put this in a giveaway. I have so many of these. I don't want to just swatch it and then I can't give it away. I'd rather give it to one of you. So let's see what we got in the month of May. So we have this exfoliating mist, which is kind of like intriguing to me. We have a highlighter. We have this moisturizer, which I'm really excited about. That's supposed to have like gold or something in it. We have this pimple patch. We have this Modeling Rose mask. And then we have an eye mask, which is really pretty. It's a unicorn. All right, so that is what's in our May box. I'll leave right here what the total value came to. All right, and so this is the June box. All right, so that's what it looks like when you open it up. Right there. So for June is Botanical Beauty. That is the theme. All right, and then this is what we got for June. Now, usually with this subscription, you don't usually get it to the end of the month and sometimes the beginning of the month. So for the June box, I just got it yesterday in the mail. It was July. So like I said, sometimes you get it the last week of the, like the month before, or like, you guys know what I mean, or like you never get it in that month unless it's like the end, like the last few days. All right, so we have rose water skin pads right there. All right, so this would be $10, and it says, after cleansing your face, apply toner pad to dry skin. Rub the rose water skin pad all around the face and neck. Avoid contact with the eyes and mouth. Oh, so that's good. So it's like a toner, but in a pad already. All right. So then we have, what in the world, there's a sticker to it, is that? Cashmere Perfume. What in the world? Let's see. So this retail value is for $12. Oh, it's a lotion. Sweet Love Body Lotion. All right, so let's just take this sticker off right there. That's what it looks like. So let me smell it. Well, that actually smells good. Let me put a little bit on my hand. So they called, what do they call it? Cashmere Perfume. All right. I guess maybe because the lotion has scent to it? I don't know. I have no idea. All right, so I'm going to close that up. That's a really decent size. Like I said, you mostly get full-size items in this subscription. All right, so then we have this. And this is a Cactus Headband. Okay. It says, why we love it. This cute and fun headband is the perfect accessory for any skincare lover. It will hold your hair in place and out of the way when you cleanse your entire face and help applying with your makeup. That is so true, because sometimes you get your baby hair or whatever. I like using these for like my makeup and stuff. So let's see if I can open it up so we can take it out and I can show you. I really like this lotion. It reminds me of like the Bath and Body Works lotion. It really smells good. Oh my God, look how cute. Oh, that is adorable. I'll definitely use this. I really, really like that. How much did I say it was? $8. All right, so then this is the mask that we got. This is a super Beauteque mask. So it's 2 steps. A lot of Korean masks, a lot of times they have 2 or 3 steps. And this would be $3. And it says, why we love it. This 2-step mask cleans and smooths skin for a more radiant look. Step 1, Super Beauteque Cleanser has exfoliating properties which help. Okay, so the step 1 is an exfoliator. And step 2 is the sheet mask part. All right, so that is definitely exciting. Then we have 2 more things. So then we have a natural moisture balm. Yes, yes, and yes. I love lip balm. I mean, look, I always have some kind of like lip balm or chapstick around me at all times. All right, so that is $8, and it says, with a silky smooth formula, this lip balm gives intense moisture and hydration to dry lips, made with shea butter, herbal extracts, and propolis extract. It has everything you need for hydrating lips all day. All right, let me see if it has like a scent to it. I'm going to put this right in my pocketbook. And you know what? They always have such nice packaging. I don't know. I can't tell because I'm smelling the lotion that's on, but this is what it looks like. All right. I'm definitely excited for that. And last but not least is, what in the world? I have no idea. What the heck is that? This is worth $15. It is, these are cleansing powders. It says, this cleansing powder is a gentle facial exfoliator that helps remove dead skin cells, fine lines, pores, and impurities. All right, let's see. How to use. Open individual capsule and pour out of the powder onto your clean hand. Mix the powder in your palm with water, creating a paste-like consistency. Step 3, massage the paste with fingertips onto your face gentle. You know what? I really like that. It says rinse off after 3 to 5 minutes. Why I like that? Because for sanitary purposes, right? So you're not like keep opening it up and pouring in or putting your hand in there. You just take one and, you know, it's done. You throw it away. I really like that idea. I like that a lot. All right, so let's recap what the June has. So we have this cleansing powder. We have the chapstick. We have this, which I'm really excited. I hope they put more of this stuff in there. This is the mask for this month. It is the 2-step. We have the Rose Water Skin Pad. So it's like a toner on a pad. And then we have this Cactus Headband, which is really cute. All that for $24. I will leave what the value comes to right here. Let me know in the comments below. Do you think that this is worth it, this subscription? I really like this subscription. I mean, I don't think there's been a month that I haven't liked. 1 month, like everything had to do with honey. And I mean, I loved it. If you don't know, I am diabetic. So when I do like get a scratch for my cat or my dog, like I have a scratch right here, I had this for like a couple weeks and it finally turned into like a scab. And so what happens is a lot of times, a lot of diabetics get infections because they don't heal properly. And so honey really does help, like organic honey. So I was really excited about that, but I really like it. Let me know which one did you like better. Did you like the May or the June? I think I like the June box better. June has really been killing it for like makeup boxes, for the skincare boxes. I can't complain about anything that I received. I hope July keeps moving forward with this. And I don't think I'm going to cancel this anytime soon. This is definitely a keeper. But let me know what you think. Do you like the box? Do you think it's too expensive? Let me know all the tea. Don't forget to let me know how your day is in the comments down below. Make sure that you subscribe if you like my content, my videos, if you like me. Make sure you like this video because it does help me out. And make sure you turn that post notification bell on so that you can be notified every time I upload a video in my future giveaways, because I have some coming up very shortly. And that's everything, guys. As always, I leave videos right here if you want to watch more of me. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.